In the digital battlefield where personal data is constantly under siege, the power of a strong password is your primary shield. Thanks to insights from iDrop News, let's explore how to fortify this shield effectively. At number 9, we start with a fundamental rule: avoid personal information. Your birthday or your pet's name might be easy for you to remember, but they're just as easy for hackers to guess. Your password should be a secret door that only you know how to open, not one where the welcome mat has your name on it. Moving to number 8, the mantra is length and complexity. A mix of uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers transforms your password from a wooden barricade to a steel fortress. Think of a combination like winged #tiger2 light, complex and unpredictable, yet memorable. Number 7 introduces the wizardry of password generators. If the thought of creating a strong password makes you scratch your head, let technology take the wheel. Tools like DuckDuckGo generate passwords that are a hard pass for hackers, ensuring your online presence is locked tight. Number 6, stop using common passwords. We've all used a simple password in our lives, but the simpler it is, the more common it becomes. Sure, you might think you're unique, but easy passwords are used by literally millions of people every day. There are hundreds of common passwords you should avoid, but to give you some examples, stay away from passwords like 1, password 2, 123,456, 3, 0000004, 111,111, 5, pass 6, apt 1,234, 7, asterisk 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 asterisk, 8, 49, Hortuap 10, 987,654,321. At number 5, the principle is clear: one key should not open all doors. Using the same password across multiple accounts is like having one key for your house, car, and office. If it falls into the wrong hands, everything you value is at risk. Mix it up to keep your digital life compartmentalized and secure. Number 4 brings us to the guardian angel of passwords, the password manager. Remembering a multitude of complex passwords can be daunting. Services like 1Password or iCloud Keychain not only store your passwords securely, but also generate and autofill them for you, making security as seamless as breathing. Number 3 cautions against patterns. Simple sequences are low-hanging fruit for cyber thieves. Your password should be a maze, not a straight line. Opt for something that feels more like a random jumble than a recognizable pattern. Getting creative is the essence of number 2. Why not make your password a canvas for your creativity? An obscure line from a song or a book, sprinkled with symbols and numbers, can be both a secure key and a piece of personal expression. Finally, number 1 emphasizes the critical layer of defense provided by two-factor authentication, 2FA. Even if a hacker guesses your password, 2FA ensures they can't access your account without a second verification step, typically involving something physical like your phone. Crafting a strong password, as shared by iDrop News, isn't just about keeping unwanted guests out. It's about safeguarding your digital footprint in a world where online security is more than a necessity, it's a responsibility. Armed with these 9 tips, your personal data remains just that: personal, secure, and protected.